As a Visual Studio Subscriptions admin, you hold the unique role of ensuring your developers are taking advantage of all the benefits that Visual Studio Subscriptions has to offer. By assigning subscriptions, you're unlocking services and benefits for your developers, allowing them to create better and higher quality apps, be more productive, and to accelerate their individual growth. Depending on which subscription levels your organization has purchased, your developers can have up to $150 Azure monthly credit to use towards learning and experimenting on any Azure service, spinning up Windows 10 virtual machine images, and more. Organizations with Visual Studio subscribers can also take advantage of discounted Azure Dev Test rates for a variety of Azure services, enabling cost-efficient, ongoing development and testing. For more information about the benefits of developing and testing on Azure, visit aka.ms/DevTestSolutions. If your organization has Visual Studio subscriptions with GitHub Enterprise, assigning subscriptions to your developers' email ensures that they can receive and accept their invitation to GitHub. GitHub Enterprise empowers your developers to innovate collaboratively with the power of open source code, code-to-cloud automation, and end-to-end security. Visual Studio subscribers have access to all Microsoft software for dev test, including older versions of Visual Studio. However, if you need more control over how your developers utilize their subscriptions, you also have the option to disable downloads, so they can still use their benefits while not accessing downloads. Additional benefits your subscribers can take advantage of include training from Pluralsight and LinkedIn Learning to further their developer education. Not only is there training available, but there are technical support incidents available to them to help them with their tough projects. All the benefits connected together provide a valuable offering, and as the admin, you can help them get started on this journey. If your organization has both Visual Studio Enterprise and Visual Studio Professional subscriptions, be sure to assign Visual Studio Enterprise subscriptions first to take advantage of its additional components. Visual Studio Enterprise comes with more testing, debugging, and cross-platform development features, enabling developers to deliver code with quality, accuracy, and speed while shifting development left to catch security vulnerabilities as early as possible. The subscription also includes more Azure credits, software licenses for dev test purposes, and longer training subscriptions to support innovation for a variety of platforms. To make assignment even easier for those who can over-assign subscriptions, the Visual Studio Subscriptions admin portal is now integrated with Azure Active Directory groups. Automate your subscription assignment by creating groups in Azure AD. Add them in the admin portal and choose a subscription level. Make sure your subscribers are added to this group as part of their onboarding so they're automatically given a subscription. This helps you increase governance and keeps you compliant, because once they're removed from that group, they no longer have access to subscriptions. To find out more about using Azure AD groups in the admin portal, visit aka.ms/VSSAAD groups. By assigning subscriptions, you empower your team with possibilities. So don't hesitate and start assigning subscriptions today.